Go ahead. All right. We're here at the deer lease, making some venison stew. Dutch oven style over an open fire. Look at that fire, ready to go. Perfect fire. Little flour to thicken up the sauce of the stew with some chicken broth. We browned the venison with some bacon. Threw in our corn and potatoes. Carrots and potatoes.
Is this for the fans? You gotta give them what they want?
I do.
All right, I hope this is good.
It might go through the... No, you gotta put it over the fire, I think.
No, we want it off to the side.
Oh, perfect. Awesome.